Are you looking for the top 5 best dishwashers to cut down on kitchen cleaning time? In this video, we'll be taking a closer look at some of the 5 best dishwashers on the market today. Before we dive in, we've included links in the description for each product mentioned, so be sure to check those out to find the one that fits your style and budget. Number 1. Comfee Portable Countertop Dishwasher. Small apartments come with smaller appliances, sometimes none at all. If you happen to live in a space that doesn't come with its own dishwashing system, then investing in a countertop one like the Comfee Portable is your next best move. It weighs about 46 pounds, so it's not exactly light, but it's still compact enough to tuck away in a cabinet or any storage space when you need it out of the way. This pick is tiny compared to the others on the market, but still has room to clean up to 6 place settings using 8 different wash cycles like heavy, normal, baby care, ECO, glass, and more. Plus, this option comes with a drying feature, a rarity among other countertop dishwashers. The only drawback is that the Comfee doesn't come with a third rack, but this is pretty par for the course with small dishwashers like this one. To operate the Comfee, you'll need to connect to a running source of water, more than likely your sink's faucet. On average, the machine uses about 3 gallons of water for each cycle, helping cut down on the amount of water you'd likely use washing things by hand. Number 2. Frigidaire Front Control Dishwasher. A small kitchen calls for a space-saving dishwasher, but that doesn't mean you have to compromise on quality. The Frigidaire 18-inch front control dishwasher proves this point by packing impressive features into its compact frame. Its slim width saves valuable kitchen real estate while still accommodating up to 8 place settings, making it ideal for daily loads. Despite its smaller size, the dishwasher's dual spray arm system provides more thorough coverage from all angles for better cleaning performance, while its stainless steel tub provides durability and better drying results. There are 6 cycle options, including Energy Saver, Heavy Wash, and Rise only, giving you flexibility. There's also a sanitized cycle that eliminates 99% of common household bacteria. One standout feature is its heated drying system, a premium feature not commonly found in compact dishwashers. This ensures your dishes are actually dry when it's time to put them away. The control panel is found on the front of the machine, so you can easily access them while the door is closed. There's also a cycle status light, which clearly indicates whether the dishwasher is washing, drying, or finished. Number 3. LG QuadWash Pro Smart Dishwasher. With new technology and a focus on efficiency, the LG QuadWash Pro 24-inch smart dishwasher aims to help those looking to spend more time doing the things they love and less time worrying about the dishes. What sets the QuadWash Pro apart from the competition is its phenomenal 1-hour cycle. Most dishwasher speed cycle only works for lightly soiled dishes, but our tests found that the 1-hour cycle on this washer can even get the dirtiest of dishes sparkling clean thanks to its numerous high-pressure jets that spray your dishes from multiple angles. It also uses steam and bubbles to break down stubborn food residue. Not only does it clean fantastically, even when you load it to the brim, the QuadWash Pro has everything you'd want in a modern-day dishwasher. It has adjustable racks, fold-down tines, and a third rack for utensils, making it easy to load and unload dishes of all shapes and sizes. The LG consistently leaves everything sparkling clean and dry. Most dishwashers use humid air at the end of the cycle to air dry dishes. The LG QuadWash Pro, on the other hand, uses a powerful and efficient blower system similar to a convection oven that circulates the air at the end of the wash cycle to ensure your dishes are dry every time. Number 4. GE Portable Freestanding Dishwasher. For most living situations, a built-in dishwasher is perfect, but if you need more flexibility in your kitchen, the GE Portable Freestanding Dishwasher offers an excellent alternative. You can easily roll it to your sink when needed and tuck it away in a corner when not, making it ideal for renters, small kitchens, and temporary living situations. It connects directly to your kitchen faucet with a quick connect adapter and features its own drain system into the sink, eliminating the need for permanent plumbing modifications. Despite its portable design, the GE doesn't compromise on cleaning power. Like premium built-in options, the portable can detect how dirty your dishes are and automatically adjust to the ideal cycle time. It boasts a 3-level wash and a stainless steel blade that rotates at 3,600 revolutions per minute, acting like a built-in garbage disposal. This ensures large chunks of food don't clog the spray arms or get redeposited onto your clean dishes. Number 5. AIRMSEN Portable Countertop Dishwashers. The AIRMSEN Portable Countertop Dishwasher is a compact and convenient cleaning solution designed for homes, apartments, offices, and RV living. Featuring 5 versatile washing programs, it allows you to choose the ideal cycle for different dishwashing needs, from quick cleaning to deeper washes. Its 5L built-in water tank eliminates the need for a permanent water hookup, making installation simple and flexible. The dishwasher comes with a double-layered glass door, providing a clear view while helping improve insulation and reduce noise during operation. Its countertop-friendly design saves valuable kitchen space while still offering efficient cleaning performance. Perfect for small households, busy lifestyles, and portable use, this mini dishwasher can handle everyday dishes, cups, bowls, and utensils with ease. The AIRMSEN Countertop Dishwasher combines practicality, modern design, and powerful washing performance in a compact package.